Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today's video, we're going to be putting this shaft seal in the transmission. I'm going to be attempting to anyway. I'm going to show you how I'm going to try to do it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. Alright guys, so here's what we're going to do today. We're going to get, I got the shaft seal. I got a new one in. And it requires a tool. It would be easier with the transmission out, but I'm not pulling the transmission. So I rigged up a couple nylon spacers and some washers on a bolt. So I got the nuts on the bottom, but so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the seal on. I'm gonna fish this through the top of the transmission like that, get everything nice and straight, and then this will go through the transmission hole, and I'll put another one on the bottom, and then a washer and a nut, and then just tighten it down. And hopefully as I tighten it down, it will very straight press it in. We got to keep this seal straight with the transmission. We can't get it in crooked, or it'll well, you know what it'll do. It won't go in and it'll mess the seal up. We got to start over. I don't know how much of this I'll be able to get on camera because it's really tight in there, but I'm gonna try to set the camera up. My neighbor's up here cutting wood, so it might be loud. I'm not sure how much you can actually hear me talking underneath here. I'm actually in the car now because they're out there cutting wood, and I couldn't hear myself talk, so I got in the car to film the intro. But let me get the camera set up. I'll get everything ready, and hopefully we'll be successful getting this thing in. Kind of at a hold for parts right now. Yesterday's video, the fail with the sanding unit. I got to get another gasket and some kind of sealant or something. I did search some fuel resistant sealant yesterday, and I found a couple different brands. Permatex makes one. All you got left is the get the fuel tank in, get the transmission put back together, and we should be ready to run again. But one thing at a time. Let's get this seal in, and we'll move to the next thing. I appreciate it. All right, guys, so I got this thing set up. I'm not gonna be able to do this on camera. There's no way. But that's how I've got it. You can feel it. Ah, crap. I think it went in crooked. So, this is the third fill. I don't know if you can see it. There. That didn't work. Whatever you do. All right, so that didn't work at all. All right, so I might have to order a new one of these. My little plastic spacer apparently slid. This side went in, but this side didn't. So it bent it up. So new plan is So you're gonna get a washer that's the same size as the bolt, so it can't slide side to side, and it'll stay centered better. And then we'll try it again. But this is the third fail in 3 days. I think we'll have to find a new hobby. But I'm not very good at this one apparently. But let's try it again later. Thanks for watching.